What up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I'm actually doing my intro at the end because I had my GoPro like freaked out, and when everything I had recorded on my way to Grimm's, it said that the memory card needed to be configured, and when you do that, it completely wipes the memory card. So what I was talking about was, you know, I think some of you guys have noticed that my videos have been very sporadic lately. That's due to weather and the accident. I'm still, since this is my first winter, I'm not exactly sure what my body can handle. And you have to remember, I had like a zigzag pattern of injuries on me. So it's not just like my arm that hurts. It's my arm and my thumb and my shoulder and my hip. So sometimes when it's a little too cold, like lately it's been 28 degrees and we tried to push it and my body just does not like it. So I'm stuck to doing just one or two videos. You know, I might miss a week, and then, or sometimes if the weather is good, like now it's 45 degrees. I think right now that it's like 1 o'clock, it's I think it's like 50 degrees. So my body can handle that. It's fine. It's just when it's anything lower, it's too uncomfortable to try and make videos, which sucks because I take pride in myself for riding year round. You know, a lot of people don't do that. It's not easy to do. It's really cold. The extra gear you have to buy for that, you know, it kind of all adds up. But so unfortunately, my videos might stay sporadic at least till it gets warm again, and then I'll be back to my regular scheduled program. But yeah, let's get started with today's video. This is how I envision your car.
Not anymore. Not these days.
Not these days.
No. Try not to draw any more unwanted attention.
Oh, yeah?
I'm a gray man now, as I'm rocking like a vest with a bunch of patches on it.
Yeah.
All blacked out. Oh my god, why does it do that? It's so fucking frustrating. It like clicks like it's gonna turn over, and then it doesn't. Oh, my bike's dead, dude.
Is it?
Yeah. No way.
Do we not ride long enough?
No fucking way. Oh, god damn. You gotta be kidding me. You hear it almost turning?
Yeah.
It's not. Fuck, it's a long walk too.
Just call Erin.
How's she gonna pick me up?
Well, she'll jump start it.
With her car?
Yeah, we only got to crank it over, right?
How are we going to... You hear it?
Yeah, unless you think you can push start it.
Fuck no. Here, hold these. What do I have to be in gear?
Yeah, well, you hold the clutch in, and then you get a start, and when you roll, you hit the gas and let the clutch out. I know
It's been 1 week, dude. 1 fucking week. How is that possible?
Is this thing hard to get to the battery?
It's underneath the seat. Oh, that's so fucking frustrating. It's dead now. Well, let me push it over to the side here. Oh. Well, let me put it in neutral and I'll park it over here. Have her come pick me up. Or, well, come jump it, I guess. Oh, what a fucking great beginning to the day.
We both had shitty starts.
Literally 1 week of sitting.
I wonder if they went chintzy on the battery. Good thing you got a toolkit.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is your battery?
It's right there.
How the hell are you supposed to get to it?
I don't know.
Are you supposed to take the plastic side panel off?
There's the negative. I can reach the negative from here. How can I reach the positive?
I can't not believe how crazy this is to get to a battery. To like take the half of the bike apart.
Yeah. What is it? It says rock forward. Okay. The cable is in the way. There it is.
Wow, that actually fit.
You know, I get it to the bolt.
I can get it on the bolt.
Alright, everybody. Now that I fucking took half my bike apart, jumped it, and fucking can ride for a little bit, because now I have to go back and put my bike back together. Amazing.
Hey, you did it on the fly at a gas station. The Maverick gas station, the one we hate the most.
Jinxed.
Yeah, this gas station is cursed.
That was amazing. What was that? What time is it? I don't even know.
That took about an hour.
It took an hour?
Almost.
Oh my god.
Let's say 30 minutes, because you know I got there like what, like 6 after, I think.
Yeah.
And then we were, you know, it always takes like 10 minutes, so.
I was shocked that those fucking car jumper cables fucking fit.
I was too. I was super worried about that positive.
Yeah. There was no way I would have been able to get it out of the bike and then hook it up.
I don't understand why Harley made that so hard to get to.
Right?
I've never had a bike where it's that complicated.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that.
That happened?
Yeah.
It's my luck.
Well, at least with your luck, you had the tools to do it. The last time that happened to me, I had to push it uphill all the way home. And you don't realize how hardcore 400 pounds is.
Right? I was gonna make it happen or die on the side of the road.
I ain't leaving this bike. But I'm talking about, it was summer, dude. It was like 100 degrees. I'm pushing this bike uphill.
That's exactly what I was thinking. But I was like, I'm gonna have to push this bitch like a block and a half or 2 blocks from my house. Oh, like it's gonna suck.
It just goes to show you how prepared you need to be, though.
Right?
Alright, everybody, I'm going to end today's video here. Well, it's been a day. Like, when I took off to go meet up with Grim, I got to his house and the memory card, or the GoPro was just like, memory card failure, have to reconfigure. And when it does that, it wipes the memory card clean. So my whole intro was gone. I was a little frustrated with that. You know, we do our thing in his house. We get to send it set up. The bike's warmed up. And the GoPro's going and all that stuff. And then we, you know, did our usual. We go get gas. And he went to start it, and you saw what happened from there. It would not crank over. I was a little shocked considering that the battery is only like a year old. Maybe 2. I'm not sure. 1 or 2. It's still, that's really short. Especially for a garage kept bike, you know, but it's part of the thing, man. It just goes to show you how prepared you should be, because that was like a real life oh shit moment. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start carrying jumper cables too, since he's got that toolkit. And I really cannot believe how hard it was to get to that battery. Like, Harley really did like cram it in there. I wasn't even sure that the jumper cables, like the positive side, were gonna fit. But somehow it did, and the bike started right up. I've never had a bike start right up like that, so it must have just not had enough juice. It must have been right on the cusp. But thank you guys for stopping by. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. What is that giant ass spider web blowing in the wind off your bike?
A spider?
Look at that shit, is crazy.
Dude, that was.
I don't think it's gonna pick that up.
I wish it did. Oh, now it's on the side. I can't get it off. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to reel it in.
There we go.
Oh, fuck me.